Welcome, I hope you enjoy this drone video of Mount Dora, Florida. This is located in Lake County, which is in central Florida. This is a very unique lakefront community that has tons of great shopping, restaurants, and other great sites. One of my favorite places is the Donnelly House, which is a historic Victorian home. This historic building has beautiful architecture. I love the colors and all the details of this Victorian gem. Lake County gets its name from obviously all the lakes in the county. This lake is no exception. Whether you're sailing on the lake or you're hanging out at the sandbar, there's tons to do out on the water here. There's also many beautiful lakeside homes to check out. Everything from old Victorian homes that are over 100 years old to modern type homes that look like they belong in Miami. They have a lot of great parks in the city, including these beautiful fountains and pickleball courts. I wanted to give you a mix of drone driving around and also walking around the city. There's so many cool things here to do in the city, and as far as the restaurants go, they're second to none. They've got everything from custom ice cream to crepes to great burgers, you name it. There's so many great choices here to eat. I just love all the different architecture. There's so many different cool houses here. I just love all the eclectic styles and a lot of really very interesting historic homes. And a lot of the newer homes are kind of embracing that historic look, which is really nice. I'll keep the video going, but I wanted to get your input, and please leave a comment below about all the places you've been to in Mount Dora, the places you like, the restaurants you've been to. I really would like to hear from you. Thank you.
to Bryce's channel on YouTube. Thank you for watching.